Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my Pizzeria business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, I'll introduce y'all to my Pizzeria business plan template, specifically the Word document, which actually contains the business plan template, and then the Excel file, which is the financial model. And then at the end of the day, what we'll do is we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and I'll give you all a link to purchase the Pizzeria business plan template if you are so interested. And also that link is right here. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional business plan writer as well as an author. I've published several books on Amazon.com. And I am also a adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So with that said, if you do want a custom business plan written by a professional, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to write you up a custom written business plan or do your financial projections for you. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the Pizzeria business plan template. So it does come with two documents, like I said, the Word document and the Excel file. Right now, we'll go ahead and zip through the Word document. So once you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page. It'll say Pizzeria at the top, business plan underneath. Most of my clients, what they'll do is they'll just go ahead and remove the word Pizzeria, and they'll go ahead and put their logo right there. The next page could be your table of contents. To update the table of contents after you add all your information, you click on Update the Table, Update Entire Table, click on OK, and your page numbers and your titles will update accordingly. The next section is your executive summary section, pretty much summarizes the business plan. And in this section, I give you a great starting point for the Pizzeria summary, target market, financial highlights, and funding request. Anywhere in yellow, definitely put your information in there, replace the holding areas or replace the information that I put in the yellow with your information. The second section is going to be your company description. In the company description, I give you some important segments, which is going to be your Pizzeria summary, popular products sold, competitive advantages, give you a good starting point with that, primary target market and pricing strategy, hours of operation, location section, business objectives and timeline. And for the business objectives and timeline, you're just telling the reader where you think you're going to be or what are some of the objectives you're going to attain in 3 months and 6 months and a year. The next section is going to be your industry analysis. For this report, I did do some research in the pizzeria industry, and the information comes from IBIS World. IBIS World, they are a industry leader in industry research, so I access the reports, extrapolate important information from the reports, summarize it, and put it into the document. The next section is going to be the SWOT analysis, so strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And to update this, just click on the writing, and you'll be able to put your own information in there. Organizational structure is broken into two categories, the ownership segment and the organizational chart. To update the organizational chart, again, just click on the words and you're ready to go. The marketing section, typically pizzerias are going to do three popular marketing channels, which is going to be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. And I give you an excellent starting point for each one. Next section is your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started, or how much money do you need to expand your business? And I give you, again, a real good starting point in this area. And then the final section is going to be the financial projections. In the financial projections, I do provide you all with a profit and loss for year one. I break it up monthly as well as quarterly for your first year. So profit and loss year one, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. Month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, the last segment is going to be your pro forma income statement, which is your annual revenues, expenses, and net income for the next 5 years. And all of these forms, financial forms, are found on the financial model, which is the Excel file, which is right here. So in order to update those forms, you do need to update the financial model. And again, this model right here comes with 4 tabs. It comes with your information page, comes with your projections, which is just a summary of your financial position, profit and loss statement, which is right here, and then the income statement. Once you update the information in the information page, you'll then want to go ahead and copy and paste all of your financial statements and put them into the Word document. Update the Word document with your new numbers. Now on the information page, what you can do is you can update the numbers on this page anywhere in the darker colored cells. This is information you can head and change and put your information in all these areas. And the areas you can update are going to be your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, your tax rate, growth rate for revenues for the first 5 years, and then fixed costs on an annual basis, and then your information page right here. And so once you update everywhere that's in the darker color cells, as you update that, your profit and loss statement and your income statement will update. And once you're done, all you gotta do is, like I said, copy and paste the financial statements into your Word document. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my Pizzeria business plan template, the link is right here. It does come with the Word document, which I just showed y'all. It also comes with the financial model, which is the Excel file. I showed y'all that as well. And what I haven't shown y'all is I do offer business plan template tutorials at this link right here. They are free. You can access them now before you purchase or after you purchase, completely up to you. If you do purchase the template, just keep in mind you do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase the template, my contact information is right here. Feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to discuss the template before you buy it. After you buy it, I do charge for my services to help you complete the template. I do help clients complete the template all the time, but again, I do charge for that service. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan or to do your financial projections, I do provide that service. Just check out my prices right here at this link. And then finally, yeah, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.